I forgot my water.
Oh.
Could I have a cup and a straw, please?
There you go.
Thank you. Hi, do you have pumpkin shakes?
No, we don't. Honey.
Do you have pumpkin
Sorry.
pie?
No, we don't.
Okay, could I have a glass of water, please, with ice? Thank you.
And here you go. Here you go. Oh, okay.
You know where I can find a pumpkin patch?
Price before.
I paid. I didn't pay yet? Oh, no, I didn't.
Okay, there we go. You almost got me too.
Almost got ya. Could I have a glass of water with some ice, please, and a straw?
Alrighty, you have a great rest of your day. I saw the GoPros and I was like, what's he doing? That's pretty good.
Ice water. Thank you.